Welcome to the world of Facebook ads, the platform where your business meets the right audience at the perfect moment. With over 2.9 billion monthly users, Facebook offers an incredible opportunity to connect. But it's not just about reaching more people, it's about reaching the right people. At Copify, we begin by identifying your ideal audience. Facebook's advanced targeting tools allow us to segment users by demographics, interests, and behaviors. This ensures your ads are shown to those most likely to engage with your brand. Next, we craft ads that capture attention and drive action. Whether it's a carousel ad showcasing multiple products, an eye-catching video, or a single striking image, we ensure your message is clear, compelling, and tailored to your audience. Once your campaign goes live, we don't stop there. At Copify, we continuously monitor and optimize your ads, fine-tuning everything from budget allocation to audience targeting to deliver maximum ROI, because every click and conversion matters. Transparency is at the heart of what we do. You'll receive detailed performance reports that highlight what's working, where improvements are being made, and how your ad spend is driving real results. With millions of dollars in ad spend managed and a proven track record of success, Copify brings the expertise and data-driven strategies you need to succeed on Facebook ads. Ready to take your business to the next level? Visit Copify.com to create a customized Facebook ad strategy and start seeing measurable results today.